Hi, I'm Miranda with Center for World Affairs, and today I'm going to show you how to use the button maker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the button maker. Buttons come in a couple different sizes and you can personalize them using Canva. So your materials that you need, first start with your metal piece. You'll need a plastic backing with the pin, your personalized design cut out, and you'll need your plastic cover to go over your button. With the circle ring, you're going to place your metal backing, your personalized design over top of that, and your clear plastic piece. On this one, you'll insert your plastic backing pin side down. You'll start with your design side, line it up under the circle, press, after you release the handle, slide this over, line it up, make sure your circles are lined up, press, you'll hear a click, and release the handle, slide it over. There's your button, completed. When loading your pin, make sure your design is centered, and when you press, use a firm, smooth press.